Now we're ready to cut the strips for the borders. There's a blue border around the outside and then a horse border, a wider one on that are both cut the same way. And this is the width of the fabric from side to side. So you need to cut 5 strips the width of the fabric. And my fabric's too big. You need a big 36-inch cutting mat that I don't happen to have. So I just have the little 24-inch, 18-inch, whatever this is, 18-inch mat. So that means I fold my fabric in half and line the fold up along a line, sort of, kind of, and line it up along a line, sort of, kind of, and try to get this grain square because that matters to somebody, not me. And then you put it at the 0 end with just a regular ruler and measure over what you need and measure, measure, and cut off what you need. Or you can do it the easy peasy way and go spend the money. I use this thing all the time. This ruler that's got slits every ½ inch so that you can cut strips really fast. So you have your fabric doubled over so it'll fit within the cut. And then you just, this is the 0 end, and you place that near the end. And then this is the baseline. So you place the baseline along the fold or something. So it's kind of sort of square. But then when you cut, it gives you a place to put your blade, and you can just cut, count 2½ inches, cut, and you can get all your strips cut 3, 4, 5, just that quick, just that easy. So by the way, this fabric is also going to be available now at Dizzy Divas. She's up in Knoxville. She's in the middle of moving, so maybe she'll even give you a deal to get it out of her way. So if you're up in Tennessee, Knoxville, Tennessee, driving by on 75 on your way to sunny Florida or something, stop by and see Wanda at Dizzy Divas. And the next thing we'll do is cut out the shapes of the rest of our fabrics for the applique boots, and I'll show you how to do that next.